Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive highlights on Instagram. So it's really simple and easy. So here is the thing, there is no proper way. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application. So now here is the thing, there is no proper way to archive your highlights. You get the option to delete, edit highlight or convert to reel. Most people they do is they convert it to reel and then they have elder highlights shown in a video, but obviously then you have the delete option. You don't really have an you could say archive option. But the option that I do like in this case, that you can't really archive a highlight, but the stories that highlight are archived. So if we go in that archive section, so here you can see it says story archived. It's going to open it up like this and your stories are going to be archived, although your highlight that you have compiled won't be highlight archived. So all you're going to need to do is you are going to go to your stories archived and you are going to find all stories over here, and that should pretty much about it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.